On this video, I will show you how to prevent your kids from downloading games from Play Store, and I'm also going to show you how to enable parental controls. If you have any question towards the ends of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, simply open your Play Store app on your device or any device that your kids normally use to play games. Once you've opened your Play Store, then all you have to do is click this your option icon that's in the top right corner. So all you have to do is just click on that, and in here you'll be able to access your settings. So click on settings. Once you click on settings, click on this family option, and then you can see that parental controls is off. So you have to click on it, and then you have to turn it on. Once you turn it on, it's going to ask you for a pin. So just insert any 4-digit pin in here, and then confirm your pin. Now, once you've done this, parental control is going to be turned on. So right now you can see that it's actually turned on. So what we have to do now is to click on this apps and games section. So once you click in here, you see that everything is actually like turned on. They are all checked. So what you want to do is make sure that this rated for 3 plus is the only one that is checked. So let me do it. So once I click on it, I'll click on understood. You see that only this rated for 3 plus is checked. The rest are turned off. So this is what you have to do. So once you've done this, click on save. Now once it's done loading up, you can come into your Play Store, and then now once you check on any games, like you are searching for any games like Call of Duty, Mortal Kombat, these games are games that normally keep kids up at night. So once you have to search for games like this, let me search for Mortal Kombat. You see that the game is right here, but they will be unable to download it because it's saying parental controls restrict downloading of this app. So the only way they can actually download this app now is when they have your password. So let me click on it. If you click on manage, it's going to ask them for a pin before they can download it. So you can see that it's actually taking them here. So if they want to try to turn it off, it's going to ask them for your 4-digit pin. And since they don't have your 4-digit pin, there's no way they can actually download any of those addictive games on their mobile device. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.